Welcome everybody, welcome to the Bajerski YouTube channel, welcome to the Pure Energy Healing Academy. Yay! Last night I did a seminar. If you didn't see it, click on the live button and watch the seminar. It was all about cleansing, clearing negative energy, starting for a beautiful new year. So what I did, I said, it just came out of my mouth. I was going to do it in the new year, but it just came out of my mouth and I thought, no, this should be for everybody. So this is what I'm going to do. Underneath here there's going to be a link, and this is a link for a collection of 1 year's supply of sage. So you've got a year's supply to cleanse your house every couple of weeks and keep it of high energy. These are the things that you want. These are the things that you keep saying, how do I get rid of depression? How do I get rid of negativity? How do I get rid of, bad thoughts and feelings in the house? How do I get rid of dark energy? How do I get rid of demonic energy? There's so many people sending messages right now that it's becoming evident that the energy is changing into a low vibration. So I guess you have to hit low to get to the high, and this is where we are right now. So you'll get 1 year supply of sage. You'll also get 3 boxes of sacred negative energy sticks. So you just waft yourself for 3 minutes around your body in the morning, in the night, and that will be also brilliant through the week. Okay, you'll also receive 13 hours of music. This is my music that I did, let's say, a prayer into, and it was looped, and it's specially designed to keep the house of good energy and clear anything bad in the house. It worked for me every time. It's worked for some of you. Some of you have loved it. Some people say, well, not really, but a lot of people have benefited, and in my personal experience, it's always been fantastic. I would suggest that you play it through the night, very low, because that energy that comes through is always there, and keep it going. If you want it to be perfect in one night, then I don't know, but it worked for me. So that comes with this offer. Also, I'm going to hand choose down at the office, they're all there ready, a crystal which is a tektite. That's probably the best for cleansing negative energy from your body, so you wear it all the time. And the value of my tektites are anywhere between, well, this is what I'm going to do. I'll probably choose a tektite that will be around 100 to 150. So it's not exactly the price I'm looking at. I'm feeling the right one for you. So that's what I'm going to do. So altogether, this offer is normally, if you buy all of this on my website, it's £300. But I'm going to do a special offer including free DHL delivery. So it should get to you within the week, within a few days. And it's going to be £140. I hope you appreciate this. There's only a limited stock. There's only so many I can do. I've only got 4 bags, huge bags of sage, but I'm going to cap it at 50. I can't do any more than that. It literally is exhausting to wrap and pack. I do everything myself. So, and it's limited to how much sage I can get each year now. So please appreciate what I've done for you. This is an amazing offer. We don't make anything on it. I do it out of love. I hope you appreciate it. I really, truly do. But this is done for you to feel better the whole of this next year coming and to stay strong. Tektite is always around my neck. I'm always using the cleansing sticks every day, and I always use sage to cleanse this. So everything that I do as a healer, I share with you, and I hope you appreciate that. Okay, I've got to go. I've got to go to Marbella now and get back quickly because I'm doing the Richie Allen radio show tonight. So please join me. I can't wait to speak to you all.